Hello, Vietnamese Packback team. Welcome to our office. We're in the hallway now. Really excited, guys. Really excited to show you guys our space here. Everyone's in having lunch right now, so it's a good time to do a tour. This way. So, this is our front area, welcome area. We'll often find people like Jess here. Jess, wave hi to our team overseas. Working, hanging on the couches. We have some chess here, bookshelf, the welcome area. Go on this way. This way we have our main conference room over here. A lot of our big team-wide meetings, company meetings happen in here. As we're getting bigger, less and less people can squeeze in here. Over here we have a lot of our management and more of our CEO, president, kind of the marketing team, a lot of our content team. I don't know the specific name for them. We're over here. Guys, wave to our friends overseas. Giving them a tour of the office. So this is our main hub here at Packback. From here we can see, let's just keep going this way. Oh, this is actually a wall.
I can't see it from here.
Shift over here. This is a wall that our co-founder Jessica made. And the idea is it's curiosity throughout time. So it starts off with Socrates, makes its way to the landing on the moon, to laptops and sort of technology now. So where curiosity has really led us. One of our favorite pieces here in the office.
All right.
Go this way. Over here we have the sales team. Wave to our friends overseas working with Packback who can't be here. Making dials, getting us more professors so you guys can have more work to do.
Awesome.
This is our main kitchen area. You can check out our view of Chicago and the crying Native American over there.
Oh, that's it.
Awesome. Here's kitchen 1. Actually cleaner than it usually is, so that's nice. Our coffee pot. Vital. This way we have our experience management team right here. Ein, who is our videographer today, sits right over here with our community operations team and our engineering team being over here. A lot of the times we'll have some art from Ein hanging on this wall, but today it's not up. Lunch table where everyone hangs out and eats lunch, and then
Thanks.
if we move over here, we have our main hangout area for company-wide meetings. So we have a projector screen. We'll post up here. Hopefully you guys can join us for some of our all-hands meetings that we'll share links to on YouTube. And of course, our office pup, Pepper. Pepper joins us every day in the office. She belongs to Jess and Casey, and she is very well behaved.
But actually, Jess and Casey belong to her.
And they really belong to Pepper, yes. We have some instruments and stuff because we'll have open mics. People will come in and play music, sing, do poetry, fun stuff. As I'm sure Ina showed you guys, our values are really important to us. So we have, I think, 12 or 13 values on the wall that range from using our own. You go ahead, Carly. Using individual creativity and talents to create moments of joy and inspiration, all the way to you communicate consciously and openly, even when that means having difficult conversations.
All right, let's
so these
go.
are very important to us. Last part of the office here, we have the glass conference room. And then we have another meeting area and a kitchen over here as well. Nothing too special. And then this door over here leads us back into the hallway and back out of the office where we'll finish the Packback tour. All right,
Final word.
that's the office, guys. Thank you so much. even though you're not here, you're just as much a part of the team as any of us here in Chicago are. If you ever come to the U.S., you better come visit the office, and vice versa. Appreciate all the help. Hope you like it. Bye.